we'll gather around, feel the love come down. Blue elephant is strong, together we belong.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So what we're gonna do today is I recently received some happy mail. I've already done the unboxing for these two really cute, adorable lizards, and I want to kind of try and see if we can do something pretty cool with them. Now they have a lot of embossment in them, so we are going to kind of do it two different ways. This first one, I am taking some of the Lightwish glow-in-the-dark UV resin that I have done a couple videos on here not too long ago, and I want to go over most of the areas with this glow-in-the-dark resin. Now, I think that it'll be pretty cool to see it kind of light up and glow at the end, so that's what we're going to do for this. And for the other one, now, my initial plan was to do the same thing and have it glow in the dark. However, as I was working on this one, Emma came up and she had that look in her eye, the one that says, I want. And so she picked a couple colors from the Teexpert set of the colored UV resin that I recently got, and we're going to kind of go with that for that one. So we're doing them two different ways, one glow in the dark, one not so much, but in the end, I think they're both going to be beautiful. Now, I am kind of going in with several different colors, and then I decided for this one that I want to do a little bit of black in there. Now, my reason for that, and it's not glow in the dark, but I just need something to kind of break it up. Now, I'm not going black for the entire actual piece because, as we've seen in the piece that I made for my grandson, the colors don't really show through black. But I just want it to kind of have that pop. And it's going to make the other colors pop more too. So as I go through this, I'm just going to put on some music for you guys, just to kind of watch through the process. And I will catch you for the next bit.
Colors bright in the golden light, best of friends in the morning bright. Green and yellow scales they wear, in the warmth without a care. Tails that twitch and eyes that glare in the sunny summer air, basking in the sun. Ooh, ooh. Two friends having fun. Ooh, ooh. From dawn until it's done. Ooh, ooh. Basking in the sun. Perched upon a rocky ledge, next to flowers by the hedge, close together on the edge, no need for any pledge. Time it passes slow and sweet, in the warmth they feel the heat, in the shade their hearts beat. True friendship is their treat, basking in the sun. Ooh, ooh. Two friends having fun. Ooh, ooh. From dawn until it's done. Ooh, ooh. Basking in the sun. Perched upon a rocky ledge, next to flowers by the hedge, close together on the edge, no need for any pledge. Timing passes slow and sweet, in the warmth they feel the heat, in the shade their hearts beat. True friendship is is their treat, basking in the sun. Ooh, ooh. Two friends having fun. Ooh, ooh. From dawn until it's done. Ooh, ooh. Basking in the sun. Basking in the sun. Ooh, friends having fun. From dawn until it's done. Basking in the sun. Two friends having fun. Ooh, ooh. From dawn until it's done. Ooh, ooh. Basking in the sun. Basking in the sun. Ooh, friends having fun. From dawn until it's done. Hands in resin flow, gentle colors bright. With every pore I show beauty in the light. Patterns swirl and dance, captured in the frame. In every piece a chance to never look the same. Resin dreams take flight in the calm of night. Through the daylight's glow, art begins to grow. Ocean waves in blue, mountains made of gold. Stories through and through, resin tales unfold. Every pore feels new, creation feels so true. Minutes turning hours, resin blooms like flowers. Resin dreams take flight in the calm of night. Through the daylight's glow, art begins to grow. Ocean waves in blue, mountains made of gold. Stories through and through, resin tales unfold.
Every core feels new, creation feels so true. Minutes turning hours, resin blooms like flowers.
Every pore feels new, creation feels so true. Minutes turning hours, resin blooms like flowers. Every pore feels new, creation feels so true. Minutes turning
Okay, I'm back. So as you've seen, when I showed you the colors, she picked 3 colors. Now I added a little bit of silver and a little bit of green, just because those 3 colors were very, it just gave me a very monotone kind of look, and I just wanted it something else to kind of just spice it up a little bit, I guess. Now, after I am done I'm just kind of spot curing these. I do put them in my Let's Resin dual light resin for a good 5 to 6 minutes each. And that is because those little areas where all of like the claws are, it's very thin, and I am putting that in kind of on the thicker side, and I want to make sure that it's going to cure the whole way. Okay, so I mixed up 6 ounces of my Let's Resin white epoxy resin, and I added a little bit of the Unicone crushed crystal in there. And what I'm hoping for is that it'll kind of sink and you'll be able to see a little bit of shimmer through the entire piece, because I've noticed in some of the other pieces that I've used it on that it does kind of sink a little bit. So that's what I'm going for. Not too, I mean, I used a little bit more than what I would typically use if it was like a clear resin or some kind of transparent color, because I want to make sure that you will be able to see it. Now, is it going to do a lot? No, but and you may not even be able to see it on camera, but when you look at it like up close in person, you can see that little bit of shimmer in there, and it's just a little added detail on it. Now, I did pour very slowly into the molds, and I need to be careful that I'm not going to dislodge any of this UV resin that I have cured in there. And spoiler alert, I do in the glow in the dark one, unfortunately, but we'll talk about that when we go to demold. Now, I am making sure to get in each one of the little fingers and toes just to make sure that it's filled the whole way. It's not a lot because I did a fairly decent job at keeping enough of the resin in that I don't need a lot in there. So it will be predominantly the colors that I picked, but I just want to make sure that it's all flat and all that good stuff. Now, clearly I poured way too much resin, but it's fine. I've got another piece off to the side that I kind of put all my extra bits and bobs in for what I have left over, so it's not going to go to waste. And I am making sure, because that tail is very, very narrow, that I am working all of the resin into it and pushing out any air bubbles that may be stuck there. I am going to hit it with my heat gun here in a moment as soon as I make sure that it is completely filled to the top of this mold. And then we're just going to let it cure and do its thing. Like, it's a simple project. Now, putting all the UV resin in did take quite a bit of time, but I think it'll be worth it in the end as long as it cures right, which I shouldn't have an issue with because now I have this high-powered light that I didn't have the last time I tried something like this, and it all just was a gooey UV resin mess. So, in saying that, I am going to tell you that it does make a difference. The light that you use really does make a difference on whether or not your UV resin is going to cure, especially in these tiny pieces like where the little toes and the fingers are. Like, huge difference. So just keep that in mind if for those of you that use UV resin. Okay, so 24 hours later, and here we are. Now it is time to demold these and see how they worked out. Now I chose white because I want these colors to kind of pop, and the colored resin by Teexpert is a very kind of pastel-y resin, and I was worried that if I used a different color it wouldn't show up as well. Now you can see the blue on that glow in the dark one on the left hand side of him. It did shift. So somewhere in doing, I don't know, moving it around or something, I knocked it loose and it did move away from there. Can you tell? Maybe not so much if you're not looking for it. And there are some areas where the white resin did kind of go under some of the UV. Now, you can tell a little bit, but it's not too terrible. But I want to bling these guys out just a little bit more. So, what I'm going to do is for the black part in this guy, since that is the only part that doesn't glow, I thought that I'd get my rhinestones out and kind of go over it with the teeniest, tiniest little ones that come in this pack and just kind of make him a little bit more. You know, make him a little bit snazzy. He's dressed up. He's going out on a date with his girl who is going to be snazzy as well. And, you know, just something cool, something to make him stand out and pop just a little bit more. I do love the colors. I love the design on these. I think they're really super cool. Like, I'm pretty happy with the turnout of them. And yeah, so I'm just going to kind of go through this and I will catch you on the flip side.
Colors bright in the golden light, best of friends in the morning bright. Green and yellow scales they wear, in the warmth without a care. Tails that twitch and eyes that glare in the sunny summer air. Basking in the sun, ooh, ooh. Two friends having fun, ooh, ooh. From dawn until it's done, ooh, ooh. Basking in the sun. Perched upon a rocky ledge, next to flowers by the hedge, close together on the edge. No need for any pledge. Time it passes slow and sweet. In the warmth they feel the heat. In the shade their hearts beat. True friendship is their treat. Basking in the sun, ooh, ooh. Two friends having fun, ooh, ooh. From dawn until it's done, ooh, ooh. Basking in the sun. Perched upon a rocky ledge, next to flowers by the hedge, close together on the edge. No need for any pledge. Time it passes slow and sweet. In the warmth they feel the heat. In the shade their hearts beat. True friendship is their treat. Basking in the sun, ooh, ooh. Two friends having fun, ooh, ooh. From dawn until it's done, ooh, ooh. Basking in the sun. Basking in the sun. Friends having fun, from dawn until it's done. Basking in the sun.
Now, I absolutely love the green on this one. I'm so happy I picked it. It really just pops, and I mean pops on this. Like, in love with it. She looks gorgeous. I'm super happy. Well, guys, that's a wrap on this one. Like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. I will catch you on Thursday in the next one. Love ya. Bye.
Blue elephant is strong. Together we belong. In every comment right, you lift me to new heights. Your support, it's clear, gives me reason to cheer. Blue elephant crew, this one's up for you. You make dreams come true with everything you do. Each subscriber's heart